Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Articles and MCQs. Guys, we all have studied osmosis in books, but have you ever observed it in your daily life? Okay, let's do it. So first of all, take 2 glasses and pour water in them. Guys, remember you have to add more water in one glass than the other. Here I have done. After this, mark the level of the water and then take a tissue paper and fold it like this and adjust it in both glasses. After adjusting it in both glasses, let it sit for 1 hour. After an hour, you can observe that the water has moved from the high concentration to the low concentration. Guys, actually it is a tissue paper that is acting at the semi-permeable membrane and water is moving from its high to low amount. Okay, now observe it after second hour. Here you can see that the level of water is same in both glasses now, which means the equilibrium has attained, and now there will be no any net movement of water. So this is the experiment. Now it's your turn to try it at home.